Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a birthday cake for my brother and sister because their birthday is tomorrow, and I'm just going to make it up for them and do this. So first I have some confetti flower thing and some icing and a cup of water, some oil, and just a measuring cup to see how much. So let's get started. So you should never do this without your mom and daddy. You should not do this without your mom and dad because it's dangerous. Let's get started. First, I got this. It's confetti mix. And now we're gonna just like add our oil to it. And then we're gonna measure our water.
How much water?
1. Good. That's good, Daddy. Right?
A little bit more. Perfect.
And then we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna start agitating. And again, don't do this at home without your parents because this is dangerous.
So how old are Jason and Janelle going to be tomorrow?
3. Grandma's gonna be like so excited. Now we're gonna get 3 eggs and crack them. My mom would teach me how to crack eggs, and let's get to the next step.
Any shells? Got any shells in there?
No. Now we're gonna agitate it up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna pour my eggs into the bowl and then mix them up like that, and then like this. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get down and get the sprayer thing and the cake pan. And first we're gonna spray this so we don't want our batter to get thick. Is this not bad? All done. So now we're gonna pour it into.
You want me to help you?
I think I got it. Happy birthday, Janelle and Jace. You guys are the best brother and sister ever. A little bit more. Hey guys, so you should never put anything in the oven by yourself because you could burn yourself. Now I'm gonna ask my dad, can he put it in the oven? When my dad's done baking it, I'll come back, guys. And now I'm out of here. And it doesn't taste like raw eggs, guys. You should maybe try to make this with your family because it doesn't taste like raw egg white or raw eggs. You should do it with your family. Hey guys, this is my next step. So my favorite part is to put the frosting on the cake. And make sure you ask my mom to get me some candles for the birthday so we can light it up. And let's get started for the next group. They're turning 3, and we need to get them a cake for tomorrow because their birthday is tomorrow, and we gotta hurry up and make this cake so that they can have a good birthday. Like this day is the most fun day ever, and they could be good and nice. Look at this cake, guys. This cake is getting frosty, like Frosty the Snowman. You get it? You know Frosty the Snowman, guys? If you've never seen it, maybe just click on my notification bell and you'll find my merch and just you'll find my merch. You guys just have to click it down below and then you guys will find my merch. Just go to the app store and look up Limbo merch and then you guys can find up my merch. And then you guys can find my merch in Limbo merch. Just gotta watch my video, click on the notification bell, and then you'll find my notification bell and stuff. Just watch Limbo with Jhuly, like my dad's video calls his, and this is quite a bit good for the cake. But you better not thumbs down my video because I don't want to get that. And if you do, you're gonna be so happy that I'm on YouTube, Brendan. I know you are. Brendan, I know you're gonna be happy. And all my cousins are gonna be like, "Wow, I was on YouTube." And Grandma Marcy and everybody else. Everybody else, I love you. Daddy, tell Nudgy to close their eyes. Tell Nudgy to close their eyes. Ah! Jhuly, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mommy, look. And guys, you should not try this at home. Okay guys, so now let's put on some candles. Like 3. Because we're 3. Because the non-Jays are 3. Now can we just put them all around, please?
Yeah.
Can I get some more, please? And so we're gonna put a lot under the. And we're not gonna light them up until it's their birthday. Right, Dad? Dad, come on! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Janelle and Jay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yay!
Yay!
Now we're gonna
Are you 1? Are you 2?
Are you 3?
Yay!
Alright.
Guys, thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell and find my merch so you guys can join me in my video. Now check it out. And bye. So now we're gonna eat the cake.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. So now we're gonna eat our cake, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you.